seem like you have complied with.
In law, you don't ask for, you are not granted what you don't ask for. You understand? And you have the right of appeal. That is why I'm saying look at the agreement they have on MM2, that Bi-Courtney has the singular right to determine the development of airport.
Sign it with,
airport.
Were they sleeping when they signed the agreement?
No, it's not FAAN now. It's some of these pretenders, Fanika Yode and the rest, who have cooked up these things. No, and if we are talking about a true Nigeria, there are some people that should be in jail as I speak.
Let's not attack their personalities. Hold on, please. We need to set this straight. Let's not attack their personalities. When they were in that position...
You are the one asking the question, so I don't know why you don't want us to face the issues.
You are by attacking their personalities?
You are saying there are people, and I'm telling you there are people. Are you afraid of going deeper?
When you refer to
Nigerians, this is our country.
Could you hold on?
Yes.
When you refer to Fanika Ide, we don't denigrate people's personalities.
Well, it's under them.
We respond to issues. They were representing the federal government, so let's leave it at that. But I'm referring to this court judgment. You said that they got certain people who did not represent the interest of FAAN. But this judgment says that the FAAN's interest cannot be different from that of the federal government. So there are a host of judgments here which we see, and it borders on the concession agreement that FAAN signed, that Bi-Courtney entered into, aviation entered into, and it comes across as though FAAN just flagrantly just wakes up, disregards his judgments, and you say you've appealed, but you're singularly carrying out actions determining what happens in spite of the agreement.
Well, I like to say that the development that has taken place in the aviation industry...
It's not about the development.
It's about... when you speak, you should allow me to speak, Chamberlain. You can't just shut me up. I allowed you to speak. You signed an agreement.
You signed an agreement.
We have signed an agreement. Are we talking about... These people have been in the aviation industry for the past 10 years. Nothing has been on the ground. For the past 1.5 years,
why don't you go
people have seen airports being reconstructed across the country.
How will investors come in? How do you think investors will come in?
These are thieves. They are not investors. These are criminals. We are talking about, we have the law now. These are laws. They are very practical issues.
We said it several times. Don't denigrate people's personalities.
We are not, I didn't mention it.
Don't name name. Just address the issues. We are talking about development. Let's be sincere and talk about development. Let's not be allowing people lead us into certain court rigmarole at the expense of the growth of Nigerian aviation industry.
Can I ask just a very simple question before we let it go here? If you're not in agreement, as we agree that, people say that government is a continuum, but we also know that usually agreements will be signed under one group of people and then another set group of people will take over in government and then have to review it. If you were not in agreement with the agreement that was signed, how would you have gone about it? You said you simply terminated the agreement. We've asked how. You said you simply wrote them a letter. Did it give room for disagreement? Did it follow a process? Was there a process stated here in terms of how to terminate this agreement? The question now will be, did you follow it?
No, the question is, we have terminated. If they have a problem, they can go to arbitration. Just like the way that they are taking more than 15 years to build.
They have gone to a level higher than arbitration. They've gone to court and they have received judgment. What is the guarantee? They're accusing you of disregarding the judgment. What is the guarantee? This is a process which is higher than arbitration.
Yeah.
If what is the agreement that even if they had gone through that process of setting up arbitration, that you would have followed what arbitration said?
Do you know, if I can even tell you an information, that because of the way they have enraptured the aviation industry into legal problems, that FAAN has no power for the next 50 years to build an airport in a city as Lagos. In fact, when Fashola was given the permission to build the airport at Lekki, they went to court. When states like Jigawa State that are less than population of 2 local governments in Lagos are building airports, you are saying Lagos has no power to build airport. That indeed even the GAT will build for the benefit of the people. They are challenging it. How do you run a country like that? How can the industry grow?
Shouldn't you have challenged this particular agreement in court?
We are challenging. We have a competent department of, legal department that is handling these issues. But in the process, we don't want to fall into what other administrations fell into, undergoing a lot of legal rigmarole, and then Nigerian people are suffering in the process.
Mr. Tati,
yes,
this was an agreement, according to you, that was signed on your behalf. But within the agreement also, there's a process.
There is. But why are you not asking that? Why did they stick to the agreement? No, this is Nigeria. You can ask, but there's an agreement for them to finish in 2006. You have said you don't have to show to take sides on this issue. You are supposed to hear from us and hear from them.
Taking sides from the point of law.
These people who are supposed to finish this thing in 2005. Well, they have refused to go. They are holding on to it. You are not asking them. You are saying why we should take what belongs to Nigerians.
Just to let you know, we will take sides with the law of this country. And it doesn't matter whose ox is gone.
Exactly.
We all have to obey the law.
Yes.
Nobody, no agency of government should be bigger than the law.
And nobody should be balkanizing and dividing what belongs to you and I, to themselves and their children. Is,
if we can't get anyone facts on this matter, we'll have to let it go here. But we will also, we did get across to Bi-Courtney to come on, but we're hoping that they can make it on this program to also tell us what really is going on. Are they disobeying the law? Well, you heard the questions put towards Mr. Dati. Well, go ahead and tell us what you think on this matter. But you say you're aware of several court judgments. But the big question is, are you obeying any of them?
We are.
All right.